Is it time to buy or sell Broadcom stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Broadcom. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 11th of June, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of April, 2025, our system has identified Broadcom as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.96. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 34.42% since we first designated Broadcom as a buy candidate 34 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.01% per day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that a further rise within this trend is expected. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 46% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 20% to 55%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of around 36%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a decrease of nearly 15% to an increase of 41% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $215 and $356. Our latest daily update for Broadcom includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Broadcom Stock Price After Wednesday Trading. The Broadcom stock price increased by 3.38% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 11th of June, 2025. It rose from $244.63 to $252.91. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 4.49%, with a low of $243.82 and a high of $254.77. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 5.63% over the past 2 weeks. Volume declined on the last day by 854,000 shares, with a total of 25 million shares traded for approximately $6.21 billion. It's important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence, which may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $265.43, while the lowest was $128.50. Currently, the price stands at 4.72%, or $12.52, below the 52-week high of $265.43, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Broadcom Incorporated stock, trading under the symbol AVGO, has experienced some fluctuations recently, particularly after its second quarter earnings report, which resulted in a 6% decline in its stock price. However, despite this decrease, the company's robust portfolio in artificial intelligence and security solutions positively contributes to its long-term growth potential. Broadcom reported an impressive 20% year-over-year revenue growth and a remarkable net income increase of 134%, reinforcing its position as a significant player in the artificial intelligence infrastructure sector. Investors maintain confidence in Broadcom due to its disciplined capital management and the successful integration of VMware, which provides stable revenue alongside its high-growth semiconductor business. This combination positions AVGO favorably for sustained profitability, although its current valuation is deemed high. In the broader context, the recent resurgence of interest in artificial intelligence stocks, following strong quarterly performances, is likely to enhance AVGO's market perception, potentially leading to a rebound in its stock price. Furthermore, the company's strategic emphasis on artificial intelligence chip development aligns with a growing sector that is expected to experience significant expansion. In the short term, AVGO may encounter some pressure from the market's reaction to its earnings, but the long-term outlook remains optimistic due to its solid fundamentals and growth in artificial intelligence. This dual perspective on volatility and potential growth places Broadcom in an attractive position for both immediate trading and as a long-term investment. Analyst ratings indicate a strong interest in AVGO. On Friday, the 6th of June, 2025, Cowen and Company assigned AVGO a buy grade along with a hold action. On the same day, Evercore ISI rated AVGO as outperform with a hold action. On Monday, the 2nd of June 2025, Citigroup also rated AVGO as a buy with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April 2025, Barclays rated AVGO as overweight, along with a hold action. Lastly, on Wednesday, the 2nd of April 2025, Daiwa assigned AVGO a buy grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have provided Broadcom stock with an overall neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as a strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have assigned the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Broadcom. Today, the stock presents mixed signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 4th of June, 2025, and thus far, it has declined by approximately 3.13%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. In addition, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, Broadcom stock also holds buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, providing a positive outlook for the stock. Notably, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, there will be some support from the lines at $252.37 and $223.69. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Additionally, volume decreased during the last trading day, despite an increase in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 50 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 35 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 33 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 36 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 25 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages suggests a buy signal 17 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Broadcom. Broadcom finds support from accumulated volume at $246.93. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk is regarded as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $10.95 between its high and low, translating to a change of 4.49%. For the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 3.08%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Broadcom, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued, or that investors anticipate high growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 4th of September, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.68. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Broadcom. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Broadcom is at $256.85. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Broadcom encounters its first support level at $246.93. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Broadcom from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of May, 2025, Justine Page conducted an insider sale of 800 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001. On the 21st of April, 2025, Henry Samueli conducted an insider purchase of 1,602 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001. On the 21st of April, 2025, Harry L.U. conducted an insider purchase of 1,602 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001. On the 21st of April, 2025, Kian Lochek conducted an insider purchase of 1,602 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 17.07. Overall, insiders purchased 2,198,636 shares and sold 3,059,366 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $242.64, which reflects a decline of 4.06%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there's a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified 5 days ago. Is Broadcom stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Broadcom stock to perform well in the near term. We have upgraded our analysis from a hold or accumulate rating to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 12th of June, we anticipate Broadcom will open lower by $2.41, starting at $250.50. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.